late at night. Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. Okay, y'all, so it is 2020. We're going through a lot of things right now with the world. Times are changing, times are hard. And I've been trying to make a plan for myself, like as far as like how things are gonna pan out with this just all the things that are going on in the world right now. And I really feel like it's important to have multiple forms of income. On my vision board, I put that I want multiple forms of income. I always try to manifest multiple forms of income. I'm working hard to get multiple forms of income. And I'm just trying to get money. Like 2020 was supposed to be my money year. This is going to be the year that I just like, because last year was such a bad year for me. When 2020 hit, I was just going to focus on money, focus on getting myself the things that I feel like I deserve, just working hard and, you know, just building some stability for myself. But with everything that's happened this year, that's completely out of my control. Like everything with everything, YouTube won't let us say what certain words, but you know what I'm talking about. Everything that's happening, it's like put a halt on everything. But I'm determined to make this happen for myself. I do want to have multiple forms of income. I don't want to have to work a 9-to-5 job no more, especially with everything that's going on. By me leaving my house, I'm putting myself at risk. I could be putting somebody else at risk from this. Like, so these are some things that I know for a fact people are making a lot of money doing. The first one is Forex. I don't know if you know what Forex is, but it's like a currency trading like market. A lot of people are getting a lot of money doing that. It's very interesting. I started it for a little while, but I didn't have the time. Like the only thing with Forex is that you're gonna have to have a lot. Did you see that? I just literally poked myself in the eye. Forex, you're gonna need a lot of time because there's a lot of like, you have to watch charts and learn trends on certain currencies, and it's very interesting. It can be fun, but it's very time consuming if you want to do well in it and excel in it. And it's like you have to have money to make money. So Forex would probably be something really well if you have like a couple, like if you're willing to invest. It's definitely an investment, but if you learn it and you do it right, it can come back and really benefit you. And it can be very rewarding. So another thing that people are doing, and the people who are doing this are actually a lot of guys. Like I know a lot of guys that are doing this, selling hair, like selling hair extensions. Like a lot of people are selling hair extensions right now. A lot of men are selling hair extensions right now. And the hair business it's a big market. It's a big market. I'm not really sure how well it's doing right now because of like, we're pretty much going into a recession, but a lot of people are doing that. It wouldn't hurt to look into. I looked into doing it before, and this was like before all this stuff happened. And I was trying to get a distributor because there are services where you can go through a third party. They will create you a website. Somebody places an order on your website. The order goes to them and they fulfill it pretty much. And you can design your own logo. They'll put the logo on the box and they'll ship it to the person. You never see the merchandise. The order just goes through you, but it goes to them and they just do everything. So I looked into doing that before too, but I didn't because I wanted to really research it, and I just fell off the idea.
Holla! Wait a minute! It's a 22!
It's the 4th of July, y'all, and Donnie is like shaking his little boots. He hates this. He doesn't like the fireworks. So another thing that a lot of people are doing is selling on Poshmark. Selling on Mercury. There's Depop. There's a lot of Etsy, eBay. There's a lot of selling apps where you can resell clothes or you can sell things. I've been pretty successful in it. I've made over $400 just selling stuff off of there between all the well, 2 apps. I have Poshmark and Mercury. I have Depop. I've only done one sale on Depop. But Poshmark and Mercury are my main ones. Between those 2, I've made over like $400. Just reselling things. Start an Instagram store. Start a clothing boutique. I have an Instagram store. I'll put the link in the description box below. It's called Closet Salt. I do have a channel for Closet Salt. It's coming really soon. I'm recording my content this weekend for that channel. Open a boutique, an Instagram store, Poshmark, Mercury. Start reselling stuff or sell some of your old stuff. Another way that people are getting a lot of money is offering their services. And it's like, you don't have to be like necessarily, people don't hype themselves up enough. Like, so when I say services, like if you're an artist and you can draw certain things, if you can make beats, if you're a producer, or you're up and coming producer, if you can edit videos, if you can do stuff like anything, you know, just offer your services to people. Like social media, take advantage of social media. This is a time that we have advantage of as opposed to our parents, because we have social media, and social media is what runs the world right now. Social media, you can connect with so many different people from so many different places all over. You never know who might need your services, who might need your help. So like, let's say right now, if you're an artist and you know how to draw a coloring book, draw something, don't color it, and make it into a coloring book and sell it on Mercury, sell it on eBay. People, it's a quarantine right now. The kids are like not going to school right now. People are looking for things for fun, for home, things to keep busy. Like you can just have to have that hustle mindset and hustle, and you can find ways to make money. And I'm starting to learn that now. I'm really starting to learn that now. That's one thing that really pushed me to make this second channel that I'm going to make, because I really like learned that. Even if you're like, oh, I don't really do anything, or I don't really have an idea, offer yourself. Like for me, being a YouTuber, if I had somebody who offered me, hey, I will film you for X amount of dollars, I would love that, because I'm always filming myself, and it'll be better. There's certain videos that you can only do so much filming yourself. But if somebody would offer their services to me to film me, like that takes nothing. You just hold the camera and pretty much just follow the person around. Or just offer your services. Like there's always a way, just think about it. There's always a way to make money, or you can set a price on yourself. You know what I mean? Just to bring in some extra money for yourself. Start a podcast. You don't have to have a lot of followers. You don't have to have, you can start a podcast and you can make extra money on a podcast. I thought about starting a podcast. I looked into starting a podcast, and how it works is like they will put, even if you have, like, let's say you're just starting out and you only have 2 listeners, you can put ads on those videos, and they will pay you a certain amount of money to keep the ads on the video. So obviously the money would probably have to build up over time. The more that your followers go, and the more episodes you posted, but you can definitely make money making a podcast. I looked into doing a podcast, but I'd rather be on film right now. Like I just rather be on film. Like I'm just going with the different chapters in my life. So when I was like early, like in my teens, I was doing a lot of like stage plays and live theater and things like that. Now that I'm a little bit older, I transitioned into doing my own videos, have my own setup, you know, doing my own thing. And then when I get older, I'll probably transition over to podcasting. But for now, I prefer to be on video and talk to y'all. And but just find the resources. You can definitely make money and start a podcast. That would be something really fun. That would be something that's therapeutic. I feel like, and you can make a little bit of change off of it. Photography is another trade that you can make extra money from. Photography, people are always looking for photographers. A lot of people are actually looking for photographers all the time. Even if you're just starting out as a photographer, you can offer somebody $30 for a shoot, just starting off. $20, $30 for a shoot, just starting off. That's $20, $30 that you didn't have. If you book 10 shoots that day, you know, or just saying, you know what I mean. There's ways to make money with that. But anyways, though, thank you all for watching. I hope this video helps you. I really want to get some money with y'all, and this is how we're gonna do it. So I've got a lot of things coming. I've been so busy, y'all. I have a lot of new projects starting, and I don't want to say nothing about it yet because I want it to be ready and to happen. But I have some things coming. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please remember to subscribe, comment, share, thumbs up if you like it. I love y'all. And I'll see you in the next video.